Welcome to TechnocareBD, Microchip Detection Universe. Today we know how to dead fixing Samsung A05 dead after CPU reballing by using our favorite EMMC and UFS chip programmer flash 64 box. Keep connected for know the whole step. If you want to know more advanced and complicated EMMC and UFS chip programming, hit the subscribe button for get the latest chip programming knowledge. TechnocareBD provide you microchip-related devices training. All training provide you world-class international grading system. Our training category list: computer, laptop, desktop troubleshooting, and IT support. Local area networking for corporate. LAN and grading system. Our training category list: computer, laptop, desktop troubleshooting, and IT support. Local area networking for corporate. LAN and WAN. Mobile repair hardware. Fully advanced root level. Mobile repair software. Fully advanced in all flashing protocol. Mobile phone chip programming. Android-based.